is our last day in Koh Jam. I'm having a mandarin juice and a fruit platter is on his way. And Dusty Boy is having banana. Soon we will take a long tail boat that will bring us to meet our friend in the sea. Oh, there's a fruit plate.
Morning guys, we are going to take our tailboat now. Bye bye to my friends. Bye guys. Such a beautiful place, Koh Jam. We had a lot of fun here. Destiny girl is coming right there with her stuff. Dave, who works here in the hotel, is bringing the heavy bag for me. He just took the bag and ran away. He said, man, it's too heavy, wait me. The tailboat's coming there and our boat is going back there somewhere. Let me see. Yeah, there's the boat. And the tailboat arriving to pick us up, because here the terminal, the ferry terminal is on the sea. The tailboat picks you on the beach and the big ferry stops on the sea and you go there and take it. We're gonna make it, baby! She was very worried.
I'm a little worried because there's our boat and no one is picking us up.
The tailboat here, the ferry going back there. Can you guys see? Oh, just a tiny ferry there. It's a bit far, but it's going. So the boat actually stops in a different place on the way back. I saw that military ship when we were going to, and now we're gonna check the address of a vegetarian vegan restaurant here in Krabi town. Let's go.
Okay, there goes our taxi. We just came from the pier to Krabi town center.
And we are going to a vegan restaurant, Thai restaurant here in Krabi.
Yeah, let's go. So the departure point from Krabi town and the arrival point for the ferry is not exactly the same. It stops a little bit out of town. It's not that much. We just pay 150 for a taxi. Otherwise there is a group tuk-tuk, so you can pay 70 baht each. But I stopped to pee for the 1000th time, you know, pregnant life.
Yeah, baby, homing vegetarian food.
Okay, you're right.
It's actually vegan. It's a vegan Buddhist restaurant.
There you go. Let's talk about food, not pee now. So we were left behind by the group because I stopped for a toilet, but then they did 150 for a taxi only for us, so it was quite okay.
Let me see what I want. And this one. So we have our Kinje food here at Home Min Vegan Restaurant in Krabi town. It is looking just delicious. Somebody was really missing Kinje food.
I was waiting to eat in a J restaurant for a while.
Me too. Let's go to the most important part. Pizza in the house. Cheeseless vegan pizza, but it's okay. It's looking just great. With artichokes and vegetables.
And
like
I love artichokes.
Me too. Penne arrabbiata. Let's eat. Banana.
Okay, the bus stop in Krabi town is just in front of the Lali's Bird Nest Cafe. The Songkyu arrived and there we go. Okay, there we go. Krabi bus terminal.
VIP bus. So we got our VIP bus ticket. It cost 869.
62, I think, or something like that.
Yeah, 862, you're right. 862 baht each person, and we had to come to the bus terminal in Krabi because the booths or stalls of tourism stalls in the city, they don't sell it. One person tried to say like she sell it, but actually she was trying to sell one of 45 seats for 1,200 baht. So we bought it with an app, which is only Thai language, so that nice woman for our hotel helped us to download and buy, and you can pay in the 7-Eleven.
So if you don't mind taking the 40-seater, 45-seater, you can get it from the town. Otherwise, if you want the VIP bus.
Yeah, from Krabi to Mochi bus terminal in Bangkok. And
oh, it also stops in the south terminal. So you can choose wherever is near your...
yeah, like that. So there we go again, Bangkok ahead. We are so grateful for everything that happened during these days in the islands, and even more grateful for that behind that book, right? And for the time we had on these islands, beautiful places. If you are in Thailand, you are planning to go to some of them, I can recommend all of them. I had fun, different kind of fun on each one of them.
A lot of magical things happen, so
Yeah, a lot.
we are very happy with them.
Yeah. Now we are going to Bangkok. It will be 12 hours on this VIP bus. This bus have 24, 25 seats.
26, I think.
26 seats only. The reason we chose the bus is because we are trying to avoid flights. It's not that it's forbidden for the baby, for the pregnant woman, but
But if we can avoid
if you
it,
can
then-
avoid this, yeah, it's a good thing.
So we will have a really big flight to Brazil soon. So
Yeah, so
that's
we already have not other flights, so we say, okay, maybe we go when you have the opportunity to check it out, that scenery right there on the roads of Thailand, which sometimes can be quite enjoyable to see the temples and the plantations, everything around. I'm gonna show a little bit of that, check it out. The bus stop on this place here on the way, which there are a lot of food for selling, water, there's toilet over there. It's a big place and different food stalls. Destiny girl is still sleeping like a baby. I was as well. But let's try to walk here around and check it out how the place looks like. Oops, almost forgot to mention, the VIP bus have dinner for free. That woman right there behind me, she's raising a signal with the number 999, which is our bus, the VIP one, and the dinner's for free. I'm vegan, probably. I'm not sure if they're gonna have something for me, but I still will check it out.